Just got to the big lake here with Mike.
Buddy.
Here I am. Mike built us a light for fishing at night since he's a dad and can only fish at night. So we built this light. He built this light. I didn't do a damn thing. Built this light. We're gonna give it a shot here. Let's see, Mike. Want to give it a shot here? Technical difficulties.
Of course. You gotta have problems when
there we
the
go.
camera's rolling.
Okay. Let's dip her in the water. We got a hole drilled out here. Hoping to catch a bunch of slabs. Oh, that does look pretty good.
That lights it up pretty dang good.
That does, really. Change the settings here so you're not totally blinded. There we go. That's a little more realistic. That's without any sort of light whatsoever. So we'll put that down and we're going to finish getting set up here. Get the rest of the stuff out of the truck and get the shack set up. And we'll go from there. Alright, finally got set up. Mike's running to grab the waxies because I forgot them in the vehicle. Got the RT9 set up here. Suppose I could grab that. Give a little view of our current setup here. This is what we got going here. We got the trusty RT9 doing its thing. Fishing 6.8. Got the heater going. Put some new lights on today. Pretty sharp. They got a nice dimmer on them also, so you can make it brighter or dim all the way down to off. Keep her in the middle. We got that light going down on the bottom right now. Mike's just getting back with the waxies. Here we are. It's like daylight.
Those are bright.
They are. Well, let's see. Let's get a waxy on this first pole. Here's down there. Start off with pink jig. We're not marking anything yet. Like we said, it's the first time we're using the. I'm good. First time we're using the underwater light. Seen a lot of YouTube videos on it. So we'll see what she produces. Well, typical fashion, Mike changed bait, changed jig, and now he's slaying the bluegills.
Yep, got him. Now Mike's not knowing how to take fish off the hook because it's been years. Here we go. Caught hands, here I come.
No, just do what you did to the perch. He caught a perch too, but
it was a baby.
I was too lazy to turn the camera on.
Right? Yeah, I must be used to catching you when I was little, because I don't want to grab you guys.
Turn off the ghetto tunes here.
Got him.
Got her. Hooked up. Another gill.
Switch holes. Probably the same one.
Another gill. Yep.
Yeah, right there.
Another little gill.
Be a different kind of bite. There we go.
Mike's got some activity. Hooked up.
Got him.
Got him. Mike is hooked up.
Little perch.
Another little perch. I'm gonna go check on our light quick.
Make sure she's still going.
Yep.
Just see the light lighten up the ice slightly.
Yep.
Next time, definitely bring in the voltmeter so we can see. Oh boy, you guys can't see it, but he pulled it up outside the shack, and all I see is green on the ice over here. Kind of a neat thing.
Okay, so we just moved the light stick in between our holes, and I'm already marking piles of fish. So, I already caught one off camera, for what that's worth. Hopefully we'll see some more when I drop this back down in there.
Yeah, while the camera was off, we pulled up the poles and I lost my waxy. Only got 3 fish on her.
Got a fish coming up. Here he comes. Come on, take it, guys. Hooked up. Got him. Hooked up. Ooh, what do we got here? Ooh, decent sized bluegill. Healthy looking fish here on this lake. That's for sure. Oh yeah, here we go. One coming in.
Oh, I got a bite. Nope.
Didn't hook her.
Too early. Missed 2 in a row now.
Marking fish down there. I don't know if they're going after yours again.
Hooked up.
Hooked up. Another tiny perch.
He's a fighter.
He's got some gusto going, doesn't he? Got one coming up. Hold up. Nibbling. Nibbling. Hooked up. Ooh, another bluegill.
Yep, definitely relocating the light. I mean,
Yeah, it's
big
definitely
difference.
big difference.
Extreme difference.
This guy's going for my waxy also. Didn't get it though.
All little guys. Hopefully sooner or later we get the light's supposed to draw on all the little fish and the bait fish, and then it is supposed to bring the big ones. Hooked up.
Mike is hooked up again. Man, it's just one after another on this body of water here.
Yeah.
That's a tiny gill. Hey, fish are fish, I guess.
Yeah. Spun it too hard.
Got one coming up from the bottom. Don't know if he'll go for you or I. It's a pretty decent mark.
Me.
No, me too.
Yeah.
We got a double.
Yeah.
I'm hooked up.
Hooked up.
Double.
Yeah.
We got duels.
Alright, check sizes.
Look at that. I win.
Damn it. Get you in the next one.
We're doing duels though. Yep. Hooked up. Little guy, but geez, it's just one after another after another. Catching bluegills. And we're not kidding, folks. Right now it is 11:03 p.m. Busted my line just now, dropping my pole.
Oh boy. Yep, Clovis wouldn't help you there. Stop kicking.
Running 2-pound test on these little panfish specials. That was another duel again, wasn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. Mine was a little late, but it was there.
Yeah, 11:08 p.m. Here we go. Hooked up. Ooh, I think we lost him. We lost him.
Get your waxy.
Nope, still got the waxy.
Send her back down.
Get back down there again.
Oh, hooked up.
That sounds like a decent one. Oh, still a small gill.
Just a little gill. Hooked up.
Mike's hooked up. We'll wait then. Feel like a decent one. Perch,
A little
man.
bigger perch, maybe.
Okay, I don't know if you can see the ice turning. We're gonna dim this down here. I don't know if you can see the ice slowly turning green, but that's us pulling up our light that's drawing in all these fish. Oh yeah, that's, you can see that
pretty
big
bright.
time. And that's what we got going down there to draw in the panfish in the middle of the night.
Yep, gotta love the YouTube.
Then we drop her back down, right where our baits are. Then you can't hardly see it anymore. She's down there and on, drawing them in.
I was surprised even at, I know the water's a little mucky here, but Even at 7 feet deep at the bottom, you can't see the light anymore. I mean, if you have all the light off, you can see a dim glow, but you really can't see the light anymore.
No, you can't.
I thought that was odd. I thought I'd be able to see it the whole time. So, but yeah.
On that note, let's call her night.
Sounds good to me. You gonna let me catch the last fish of the night, huh?
Yep.
There's the last one of the night right there.
Get her up to the camera.
Yeah. Oh, he wants to stick around. Get out of here.
And he's gone. So, yeah. That's the official first vlog, fishing vlog. Looks like I got some moisture on the lens here. The first official fishing vlog. There's Mike. We'll be signing off. Take a quick look outside and see if we can see the moon out here. She's gonna be pretty dark, but no, it's gone already. Pitch black out here. Yeah. So, till next time.